So a quick, let's say, video about the use of tokens and cryptocurrency. So these are terms which you might encounter very often, but you may be asking, what's the difference between a cryptocurrency and a token? So in many cases, these two words are used quite interchangeably, in the sense that sometimes people want to refer to tokens, but they use the word cryptocurrency, and sometimes they want to refer to cryptocurrency and they use the word tokens. And in many marketing brochures, in many projects, you will see that these terms are used very often in the place of the other one. So um, in real terms, there is not much difference in how they work. Okay. But for explanation's sake, let's have a clear understanding of what both are. So on one hand, you have what we call cryptocurrencies, and on the other hand, you have what we call tokens. So when we talk in the context of a blockchain, so you have a big blockchain, like, let's say we take the example of Ethereum. So you have Ethereum, and that's the blockchain. On top of the blockchain, you have the cryptocurrency, which is also called Ethereum. So Ethereum is the name of both the blockchain and the cryptocurrency. So when we talk about cryptocurrency, it's, you can call it the native token of the blockchain. So basically, if you don't have Ethereum, the cryptocurrency, Ethereum, the blockchain, doesn't exist. It's an oversimplification, but you could visualize this cryptocurrency aspect like this. Now, what are tokens? So basically, you have the blockchain, you have the blockchain called Ethereum, you have the cryptocurrency called Ethereum also. And then on top of this, you can actually build your own, create your own cryptocurrency, which we call tokens. So basically, tokens are programmable, let's say, cryptocurrencies that you can create with different characteristics, which are not very different from how a software runs. So basically, you can add anything complex or simple depending on your use case. But the easy thing to remember is that you have cryptocurrencies, and on top of that, you usually have tokens. So now tokens can exist in different blockchains, and natively they cannot be like transferred from one blockchain to another. For example, if you have a token on Ethereum and you have a token on some other blockchain like Cardano, you cannot just transfer the token from one blockchain to another. You need to go through what we call an exchange, or a crypto exchange, which is kind of a centralized entity where you send them the crypto, the token, they take the token and they transfer you some other token. So you need to go through these crypto exchanges to change one token to another. However, within a single blockchain, you can have different tokens. For example, on Ethereum, you have different tokens. There are, I think, hundreds, thousands of tokens right now which have been created, and these tokens can be changed, or can be exchanged within the Ethereum blockchain. So this is why you have standards which are used, and one of these standards is the ERC20 token. So basically, the ERC20 token standard specifies some common, I would say, standards, some common attributes, some common behavior that you would want all the tokens to have. Why? The reason is quite simple, is to just to create a standard token so that this token can be exchanged for another token, and it creates easier transactions and easier way of holding this token in different kinds of wallets.